Hello everyone, welcome to RIA Prep. So we are discussing this CAT 2017 slot 1 set where there are 3 orders that have been placed on different times and 2 people working on the in the food joint, and the timings given for you to prepare the burger is 10 minutes. Fries are prepared by the fryer machine which takes 5 minutes and it does not require any attendant, and the order of the ice cream is prepared by any one of the employee in 2 minutes, right? So this is the information that we have covered in the first part of the video. I hope you have gone through it. Otherwise, just quickly go through it. Question number 1 and 2 have been discussed. Let's cover the question number 3. This one is a tricky question to solve. Let's have a look at it, guys. Question number 3. What does it say? It says, suppose the employees are allowed to process multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of client who placed their orders earlier. At what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? So in the previous question that we did, a particular employee cannot work on the multiple orders unless all the items of the previous orders are served. But in this particular question, it says, suppose the employees are allowed to process the multiple orders at a time, right? That means if somebody is working on ice cream and that ice cream will be prepared in 2 minutes, but the burger will be prepared in 10 minutes, but the employee who is working on the ice cream will be free by the time burger is prepared, so that employee can work for the further order, right? In the previous question, in the previous 2 questions, and it was given to us that a particular employee cannot serve the items of the next order unless the order items of the previous order are served. Now, if you have to take this condition into consideration, how will you solve the question? Now, the question is asking what is the order placed by the client to completely serve? Now, see that 10-10 burger, it will take 10 minutes for the burger to be ready, and we have 2 employees, right? Let's say Anish is working on burger, right? One of the employees, Anish, let's say Anish is working on the in making burger of the first order, so that will take that order will be completed. The burger will be made by 10:10, and the fries will be made by 10:05 by the machine, and the order of ice cream will be prepared by the Bani, and the Bani will be able to prepare this order in 2 minutes. So Bani will be free by 10:02 from the order number 1, from the client number 1. So Bani is free by the time burger is ready. By the time burger is getting ready. So Bani can now start working on the order number 2. But can Bani start working on the order number 2 unless it is placed? Even though she is free at 10:02, but she cannot start working at 10:02 on order number 2 because order number 2 was placed at 10:05, not at 10:02. So by the time the second order is placed, that is at 10:05, now Bani can start working on it. Now 2 portion of fries will be made by 10:10 by the fryer machine. No attendant is required. And the order of ice cream, this order of ice cream will be made by the Bani at 10:07, right? The question says, suppose the employees are allowed to process the multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish the orders of client who placed their orders earlier. At what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? Now, the order made by the client 2 will be completely served once the order of the client 1 is done. And this particular order can be prepared by 10:07. So you see that, but will you be able to serve this order before the client 1 is up? See, earlier it was given that employee cannot start working on the next order unless the order of the previous item is served. But here in this question, the condition is that the preference will be to finish orders of the clients who place their orders earlier. At what time is the order placed by client 2 completely served? So if your preference is to complete the order of client number 1, which will be done by 10:10, by 10:10 you can also make sure that the client number 2 order is also ready, because the earliest time by which you can make the order of client number 2 is 10:07. So by the time you serve this order, at the same time you can also serve the order number 2. So the the order of the client 2 will be completely served will be 10:10. That would be the correct answer of the question. Now let's have a look at the question number 4. It says that suppose the employees are allowed to process the multiple orders at a time, but the preference would be to finish orders of the client who placed their orders earlier. Same condition as of the previous question. Now the question says also assume that the fourth client came in only at 10:35. Now between 10 and 10:30, for how many time is exactly one of the employees ideal? Now we are supposed to find out that time period where either one of the employees is working. So between Anish or Bani, either Anish is working, Bani is ideal, or Bani is working, Anish is ideal. What is that total time duration where one of the exactly one? See that? It's not that at least one. It says that exactly one of the employees is ideal. Now, let's see that. Let's say Anish is working on this order by 10:10, right? So Anish will be busy till 10:10. Okay. And this will be made by the machine. And this order of ice cream will be made by 10:02 by Bani. Now, Bani, you see that, will be free at 10:02. And because the next order is getting placed at 10:05, so Bani will start working on the second order at 10:05. So can I say that Bani is completely free from 10:02 to 10:05? Yes, Bani is completely free from 10:02 to 10:05, right? And then when Bani start working on this order, right, Bani again will be making the ice cream from 10:05 to 10:07, right? So Bani will be busy from 10:05 to 10:07. And this will be made by the machine. No person is required to make this order. Now, third order will be placed at 10:07. Now, Bani is free at 10:07. So Bani will start making this burger at 10:07 and she will complete this order by 10:17. And the order of fries will be made by the machine. So 10 by 10:17, Bani will be busy from 10:10 to 10:17. But you see that at this point of time, Anish is completely free at 10:10. So Anish is completely free from its order at 10:10. So from 10:10 to 10:17, Anish does not have any work to do. So Anish will be free from 10:10 to 10:17. So total you see that, right? And after this, after the 10:17, Anish and Bani both will be free. But the question is not asking me the time at which both of them are free. Question is asking me the time at which exactly one of them is free. Either Bani is free or Anish is free. So therefore, you see that this is a 3-minute time where Bani is free, and this is a 7-minute time where Anish is free. The total time where exactly one. Keep this in mind. I'm trying to make you understand the meaning of the word exactly one of the employees ideal. Exactly one. That means either Bani, Anish is working, and then Anish is free, Bani is working. So that total time is 10 minutes. So the answer to the question will be option number 2. That would be the correct answer of the question. Right? Okay. So these are the 4 questions. You can see that the questions of all this, of this complete set were very easy. Anybody can do it, right? So set is not difficult. It's the selection of the question is very important. You need to select carefully, easy set in the first 20-minute, 15 minutes period. And if you can catch on with these type of sets in the first 10 to 15 minutes, you can easily get through with the LRDI section, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. You can join Unacademy using my referral code LRDSmeetLive. This will give you 10% off. And this is my Telegram group. Link of it is given in the description part of the video. We'll get all the compiled links of 300 free special classes. Also, the regular practice session on DA and LR happening every day at 4 p.m. on my profile on Unacademy. 6-month subscription will give you a subscription till CAT 2021. There's a bumper offer going on. You can use my referral code for additional 10% off. That is LRDSmeetLive. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next part.